Isn't me? But at the end of the day, when a situation reached too far, it just reached too far. Isn't me? So as you know, my father, yeah, Beenie Man, Moses, yeah. Jaja. It's so heartbreaking that it ever come to this, but obviously me and him we're not gonna have no good ties, because I feel like over the years I go through so much and I endure so much and I stay quiet, and everybody feel like say, oh, him a this good father and him always take care and mute them and this and that. I not look no money from him, I not look nothing from him. You see me? Everybody will know me know that. So me take care of myself and pay my own bills them. 100,000 pay for my rent. You see me? Never yet go for no handout or asking for nothing. You get me? I'm just know some have some good people in my corner. Mommy, like I call in, you know, Auntie Keisha, like I'm just always there for me. My sister them and brother them always there for me. My father buy a house in 2000 Zin, and from them time they him say, yo, over the part because you have a two-section depend the land, you see me? He say over the part there your part, man. Not worry about that. Do what you want to do. So I never really pay no mind, because I say, you know me, if you know me, I always a hustler, I always independent, I always live by myself, I always take care of myself, take care of my daughter and everybody around me. You see me? So recently recently him called me and I say, yo, you know, say some squatters do for your part of the house. I mean, I say, like me, I forgot go up there then and do my thing, start do my thing. I'm calling back and I say, here we go, daddy. Instead of me, I pay rent. Remember, say 10 months rent, 100,000, $1 million, you know. So I can use that to say. So I better use that and say, alright, build up my place, because him say, my place, you see me? Him give me the go ahead for say, go and get your thing. Go up there now, whatever. Some little madness go on and reach out to him and I say, yo, right. The man do a big 360 for me, like literal 360. The man changing whole statement, everything. From him woman tell him say a dissing for do. What? Me talk the day before, you know, dog, and you say, yeah man, go and get your thing, is it me? And as soon as the woman say, yo, no, I saw we do it. We do it that way there. You change your mind and say, alright, I saw we do it, DESHA. Nobody go up there. Nobody go up there. Nobody do nothing. The house is not yours anymore. We have some other thing for do on it. And we have some other no, storage. My part, him say my part is going to be storage. Remember say I did a pay my rent and alright. I never come to you, I never link you. You link me and say, yo, you don't know say squatters take over your part. I mean, I say, what you say? I'm there as a parent, I better go fix up my place. And I say, yeah man, go and get your thing. I say to the man, say, because when him say, oh, I tell you, say, don't go up there. I say, I tell you, say, don't go up there. I tell you, say, wait till me and babes come. And after I get in one little problem in me, I tell you, say, daddy, watching this one, so come help me out. You know who have to help me out? Mommy. Carlene. When you know, sir, mommy, I call Carlene. Yeah. separate and apart from my mother. She helped me out. That's why I will always call her mommy. Then I never see, like, you see, alright, you see when him said, you see to home in a shock, me I say, I was really like, again, like, what next woman come again, and a guy that steps them, bro, like, oh, that makes sense. Alright, you have 13 youth, Zin? Paying school fee is not being a father. Paying school fee is not being a father, because that is all you do for your kids. That's it. That alone. Remember say, I'm from, and I just know me, I tell you something, I don't want nothing from me, you know. A long time. Long time. If, like, some of my friends them on live, I'm family, so them know. So a long time, me I tell you say, I don't want shit from you, bro. Just take care of my siblings, them, brother. Because I see the road where you go down, and I see it happen with me already. I am a father, bro. If you're there for me, I'm done see you're not there for me. So hear me say, here what I do. You're not for there for me. Just there for my brother and my sister, then please me, I beg you. You see me? I always tell you that. I always tell you that. Crystal I go Yui, Mosiah I go Yui. All of them I go school. Everybody in a school. Everybody in a school. You go Sabuma alright now. From you go Sabuma out my Sima. Remember you have 13 pitney. You out my Sima and say Sima afi us. When we did there now, we here say we are work as employees. May I say our father restaurant. So you know true everybody know me. I not watch the face. May I say alright, me I go and help him build up him thing. You see me, him come and say Crystal and Mosiah come to and volunteer cause none of alright, honestly none of we never did that work. When we hear say employee, we have to work as normal employee, we never did that work. We say no, you're mad. And then we say alright, our father business, Crystal, Mosiah, come in, we are going to work. You see me, them say I work as employee, we are going to work. Anyway, what did they know and I work be a problem. She have a problem with everything. Everything she have a problem with. Everything she have a problem with. Zin? When we check from this, when we look now and I say, oh, alright, we'll call a meeting, yeah. We'll call a meeting and I say, oh, we are issue the problem, them and I say, what are the problem? When we hear from the start now, of him woman and film name in our business. Me say to him brawling, I say, yo, so I'm to Mosiah. I'm to Crystal. You could have put them name in the business, you put you and your woman name in the business. Being king. Yeah, worry about the next man will actually take care and mute them. Yeah, worry about, and no matter how old them want to be, he might take care and mute them. Yeah, worry about a man will take care of everybody around him. That's you worry about. You know where you go do, you go buy a Maserati. To prove what? To prove that you're the king.
Boy, you know, like a big family war going. DESHA forward out. I just saw the video a while ago. You see me? Forward out and I explain what I go on. You know, push up on BEENIE MAN right now, because the king thing plus this, plus we are going on a Trinidad, we must talk about some double some food thing and whatsoever, and the people them down there beating bad. You know, you know look good on BEENIE MAN, I tell you, because DESHA say him not take care of him pitting them and one bag of thing, and she bring up all VYBZ KARTEL, so VYBZ KARTEL take care of him kids and every little thing, and you see me? Because you know look good. I tell you, look like DESHA could hold she fed up. You see me? Look like big war going between BEENIE MAN and him woman and house and business, and is what I try to say. But boy, look at DESHA say she not depend on working in the business thing or whatsoever. And, you see me? But you know, BEENIE MAN, I look good brother for your the daughter so still. You see me? And the youth them so car. Me see one of them son. You see me? I don't remember which one of them, but I think one of them are artists. But me see him and I say, yo, Jano. I don't know, being man always it look like him put all the woman them before him kids them to rot it car. I don't know, always some woman problem and but I don't see in the media already still. Say I realize say she when the king thing bring up she a forward out and she attack and every little thing. I don't know how she get involved still, but when I see it, I say, yo, Jano, Beanie should have just not try make she involve herself in a situation because the way how she a go on, badness and whatsoever. You see me? The way how she a go on, you see me? Although I defend her man, but when I think of her role, you see me, left that to Beanie and Cartel thing, you see me, with the kingship thing, cause see all something forward out, DESHA forward out and I say the same thing, say, him go buy Maserati or whatsoever, you see me, in the video, so, John won't be, you know, look good at all, brother, you see me, and even start out the thing, you see me, and maybe, but that's why, for years I'm a beat Beenie Man about the bossing him, not bossing the artist and thing, but I don't know, I guess he want everything for himself or whatsoever, you see me, cause him not bossing the artist, plus, he look like, as DESHA say, him not take care of the kids them or whatsoever, you see me, and this a woman here look like, as she more like a gangster as she are in him head, cause one thing enough to do, you can't. But the thing is that, you know, what me I say still, cause I go play fair, you know, you see me, yeah, being wrong, you know, cause you're supposed to take care of your youths, them, you see me, and start off a start out, and you can't put your woman over your kids, them like that, you see me, but DESHA, at the same time, I don't think you should have carried this to the forefront, you see me? As a daughter and a father, you should have better sit down with him and reason and everything, you see me? And not everything forward by the media and thing, you see me? You should have just sort out that and Jano, look a king thing with Cartel and Jano, if you use Cartel and beat him, that no look good, you know? Your daughter and, you see me? No look good for your forward out and I deal with the thing, so you see me? Should have just keep that off here and you know woman kind of have a look at emotional sparks at time, but I feel like you should have just deal with this behind doors, you know, reason with your father and think, you might not good now, but I know say back then no good. You see me? And when being man for do, I just try sort out things we do know. You see me? And, you know, try to make him woman understand, say, yo, this are my kids, and you see me? Because you can see, say, the kind of body and every little thing, you see me? But you have to just know how to deal with certain things some of the time, you see me? You can't do, and not everything the public for know, you see me? Yeah, and if you use Cartel for beat him, and is what me I try to say. This not really look good. You see me? And Beenie Man, if you not do the youth them good, do the youth them good, brother. You see me? Yeah, cause you make them there same speed, you see me? And DESHA, next time just deal with the thing half here. You see me? Kinda really look good. You see it. But this are the thing. If I'm get go Beenie Man shouldn't even on a back and forth with Cartel over king thing or whatsoever, brother. You sit down on the throne, you see me? Anybody want it, them ever come to you, brother, you shouldn't have back and forth and say, boy, you go build song and all of them little thing. They're joke thing that, brother. You see me? Joke thing that. You see it. So, thing could have started out better and thing, you see me? This guy seem to me, this a family matter to me, cause, you know, I guess with Disha say being man, I say, yo, she for control this and Ray and Tay, and she say, yo, true. She can do her own thing, you see me? So I guess when she start ready for do now, the girl I say, yo, Ray, you see me? Him woman I say, yo, maybe tell him or change his mind, and when him come to a conclusion, you know, maybe I turn him back on her and every little thing, you see me? And it look like the little business what them have. You see me, the business what them have, it look like, you know, fiance I take it over and I guess him kids him have to just work there and every little thing, you see me, but things could have deal with a family matter this, you see me, this not supposed to be in the media and thing, you see me. Yeah man, this could have sort out and deal with better than this, you see me, cause you don't know the thing set already, you see me, cause no no, being man always name always in some woman business and you see me, cause remember say Disha and the other baby mother where Beenie Man have, what's she name, Crystal, them couldn't agree, you see me. I don't really know what I go on, but a female them, you know, female thing go already, you see me? Can't do that. But the thing, them thing have to keep out of media still, you see me? Yeah man, them thing have to keep out of media, man. You see me? People remember for like, share and subscribe, you know. You see me? Where's a talk and thing and this not really look good. You see me? Disha, you should have just reason thing behind door with your father and thing, you see me? Cause taking this, you know, it not really look good. You see me? Although what Beenie Man I do, that not right. You see me, that not really right as a father still. You see me? You should have did the father them, did the youth them more better. You see me? Cause I guess that's why if you deal with them, maybe Disha wouldn't forward out, you see it. And the way how DESHA talk, it don't look good for you as a father, bro. Cause this seems to me like you put the woman over your kids, you see me? But you have to straighten up that, brother, you see me? Yeah, man, your kids, them in your future, you know. In a long run, them will come take care of you, you see me? Same speed, you see it? And DESHA, next time, just kind of, on everything, you know. Things can reason behind doors, you see me? You can't use him, what do you call it? You know, look at thing with the king thing, you can't really use cartel to beat him, cause, you see me? This a different thing, you see me? This not really have nothing to do with personal and family business, cause I realize you say yo Maserati and King Ting and Ray and you see me, if you beat him, still beat him, but the outside of that really carry nobody in it, and you see me? Yeah, it no look good. You see it. And being man, you need to straight out certain things, same way, same speed, you see me? Yeah man, that need to start out, man. It no look good in the media right now. The year just start. You see me? Yeah. But boy, I mean, know. Look like this dancehall thing gone as some love and hip hop thing. You see me? I saw me see it. It come like a love and hip hop, a be a little drama, man. You see me? One bag of drama go on. You see it? One bag of drama. That's one little drama I start over in Gaza camp. You see it? Yeah. One bag of thing go on over there. You see it? I still say Lisa hype and you see me? I talk one bag of thing, but I feel them thing, I feel them camp. They have got start up, but the look house thing and one bag of rare look like some house and some business thing, some disagreement go on in our family. Yeah. But Beenie, sort out your thing. DESHA just know for handle the thing. You see me, you can just reason with your father behind closed door when nobody know if you know what go on. You see what I try to say? Yeah man, things have to just set straight and you see me. I just saw things set. You see me? Things can reason out and things some my time. You see me, and being a man for do. Man for just watch how him woman just make him woman understand say yo. Cause I see she a dash out some word there though. You see me, she a forward out and she a with the king thing and she a say yo one king and Ray and you see me, and remember say things I'll bring up about money pay if you play this a song and one bag of thing I don't know Beanie come out, you know, look like him want cry and thing and I say yo people for lower off him name and she come out and say the same thing and one bag of saga man. You see me, but when you just do the thing straight, this not look good. Family business is to keep private and when you don't know. You see me? At the end of the day, two are no wrong. You see me, DESHA should just do things behind doors and thing and be the man sort out your thing. Your kids them do them right. You see me? Yeah man, you don't know enough people and media facts, you know. You see me, and keep on support and thing, you see me. Like, share, subscribe, same speed, you see me. And big up all of my fans them. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself when you don't know. Safe out there and thing, you see me? Yeah man, guidance and blessings, you see me? Yeah man. That is it.